Ever wondered why native plants matter so much to local ecosystems? These plants are like the superheroes of their environments. They provide habitats for local wildlife, creating a safe haven for animals, birds, and insects alike. Native plants are tough too, with a natural resistance to local pests and diseases. And let's not forget their role in biodiversity, adding a unique touch to the landscape. So native plants are not just beautiful, they're also vital for maintaining healthy local ecosystems. Now, it's not just local ecosystems that benefit from native plants. For gardeners and homeowners, these plants offer a myriad of advantages. First off, they are low maintenance. Accustomed to the local soil, climate, and rainfall patterns, these plants require less watering and fertilizing than their exotic counterparts, saving you time, effort, and resources. Moreover, native plants are adept at attracting beneficial insects and birds, turning your garden into a thriving habitat. Butterflies, bees, and birds are not only delightful to observe, but they also aid in pollination and pest control, contributing to a healthier garden. But the benefits don't stop there. Native plants are tangible links to our past, preserving local heritage and identity. They remind us of the unique beauty and diversity of our home, making our gardens not just a personal haven, but a reflection of the broader landscape. Indeed, native plants offer a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond their beauty. So, how can you contribute to the preservation of your local ecosystem? Start by embracing the native plant movement in your own backyard or community green space. Consider swapping out exotic plants for those that naturally thrive in your area. Check out local nurseries or conservation programs for native plant options. By choosing native plants, you're not only creating a beautiful garden, but also contributing to a healthier, more vibrant local ecosystem. Interested in learning more about native plants and local ecosystems? We encourage you to deepen your engagement with us. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. To stay updated on our latest content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Got any questions or thoughts about native plants? We'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Together, we can make a difference for our local ecosystems.